morning, friends. We are off to do our farm chores, and we thought that you guys might want to tag along. So come enjoy morning farm chores here on New Day Family Farm with us. All right, let me put my bucket down and then I'll help you get the babies. Well, this morning has not gone as planned. I don't know if it was the camera freaking out the goats or if maybe my stress level just trying to orient the camera and get some shots made them stressed out. I don't know, but you guys, it has been a horrific morning. It could be my tiny helper over here was just a little bit too much for them. I don't know, but the goats could not handle it today. There's something in the air. I don't know. So I've survived morning chores, but unfortunately have not filmed much of it because, you know, when something has to give, unfortunately, it's the camera. And so my apologies that this was half of morning chores and kind of a rough one at that. There are just days when things don't go according to plan and you just gotta make do with what you got, you know? I hope that I'm not the only one who has bad days like that. You know, whether you're on a farm or not, some days are just rough and you have to make do with what you've got, what you've been given for that day. And take a deep breath and just make the best of it. So I hope you guys have a lovely day. I hope your day starts better than mine did today. But you know what? Make the best of your day today. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully we'll get a better chore video again in the future sometime. But if you want, leave us a like or a comment. We'd love some encouragement today. It was a rough start to the day. So leave us a little bit of encouragement, if you will, in the comments. You guys leave each other some encouragement. If somebody else is having a bad day, encourage that person. It's such an easy way to spread some love. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. You say bye? Come on, girls. Go find your babies. Maybe it's the fact that there are storm clouds on the horizon. I don't know, but there is something in the air today. At least there's a little bit of cuteness over there. All right, let's let these babies out so they can see their mommies. You guys ready? Oh my goodness, one at a time, you guys. One at a time. You fit if you go one at a time. And the baby's over here. All right, go find your mommies. There's one mommy. All right, find your mommies. Hi, sweet girl. You got a baby, go. All right, put him down when he's ready.